Rishi, hey, I'm audible.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes, I'm audible or not?
Sir, now you are audible. Firstly, you are not audible, sir.
Hello.
Hello, now you are audible, sir.
Okay. So I uploaded the second order time response system document in your MS Teams. Okay. So just go through that. Whatever we learn in class, that is said to you. Today we are doing more example practice on second order control systems. All of you please write down the question. C of t that is equal to hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, please
Yes,
reply
yes,
me.
sir.
Otherwise, and I am asking solutions from anyone. So all of you please note down. C of t that is equal to 1 plus 0.2 e to the power minus 60t, t for time, minus 1.2 e to the power minus 10t. Once again, I am repeating. C of t is equal to 1 plus 0.2 e to the power minus 60t e to the power minus 60t minus 1.2 e to the power minus 10t, 1010. I am sharing that things. This is the output of your servo mechanism subjected to unit step input. Subjected to unit step input. Obtain the expression for closed loop transfer function. Also determine undamped natural frequency and damping ratio. Now start finding out. First of all, find out the closed loop transfer function. If possible, on your camera, so I can see that how many of you are trying. I'm asking randomly the answers from anyone. Yesha, are you here? Now, second number. Shahil. Hello. Hello. Hello, I am audible.
Yes, sir. You
Yes,
are
sir.
completely audible.
Then no one is replying. What is the procedure? What to do? Hey,
Yes, sir.
what is the procedure?
सर लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म लेना पड़ेगा पहले तो.
Yes, Laplace transform लेना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now 19. Please tell me what is the Laplace transform?
Yes, sir.
Laplace transform क्या होगा बोलो?
1 upon s plus 0.2 upon s plus.
Why you are muting yourself?
Sorry, I don't. Sorry. So the Laplace transform is 1 upon s plus
Yes.
0.2 upon s plus 60
Yes, good.
minus 1.2 upon s plus
Yes.
10.
Minus 1.2 divided by s plus 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So first of all, we have output is given. We have to convert in Laplace transform. So this is fine. Now take a LCM and find out a C of S. Now who will give me the answer? "46 number. Are you here?"
Yes, sir.
Yes, give me the answer. What is C of S?
So वो LCM निकाल के आंसर ही ला रहा हूँ. So एक मिनट.
Okay. Yes, do fast. Please do fast. क्या आया आंसर आया किसी का कि नहीं आया? हेलो.
Sir, 600 upon s into s plus 60 into s plus 10.
Good. Yes. This is your answers. C of S equal
Yes,
to 600 divided by S, another bracket S plus 60, another bracket S plus 10. Can we write down this same thing like this way? Means, can
yes,
we
sir.
write down this is as a, this I can write down like this is a 1 by S into 600 like this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Now what is 1 by S? 1 by S is unit step.
R of S.
Yes, R of
R
S.
of S.
Okay. So now what is my C of S by R of S?
600 upon S square plus 70S plus 600.
Good. Good. C of S by R of S is 600 upon S square plus 70S plus 600. So what is the order of your system?
Sir, second.
Yes, good. Second order system. Okay. Can we find out the poles and zeros of the system?
Sir, there will be no zeros, but poles are minus 60 and minus 10.
Good. There is a no zeros and poles are minus 10 and minus 60. Good. Can we plot these poles and zeros?
Yes, sir.
So please plot the poles and zeros. ये मेरा S plane है. That is a sigma and j omega वाला term. Okay. This is my S plane. One value is minus 10. तो मैं पोल ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं. minus 10. Okay. And another pole is minus 60. Let's assume suppose यहाँ पे minus 60 आएगा. Actually we have to plot according to the scale. Okay. So this is nothing but my representation in S plane. Okay. This is called a S plane. Sigma plus j omega. So the two poles which is represents on the left hand side of S plane. This is my left hand side LHS. Okay, left hand side of your S plane. Okay, now compare this equation with a second order system in general equation, that is omega n square upon s square plus twice zeta omega ns plus omega n square, and find out the value of omega n and find out the value of zeta.
Sir, omega and 24.49.
Yes, Anubhav. I hope I rightly said your name.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I trained my system with the feedback in a last class. Okay, omega n is 24.49 radian per second.
Sir, zeta is 1.403.
1.43, not 403.
4.3, yes, sir.
Yes, 4.3. Good. So we are getting omega n and zeta. Can we find out the rise time? Hello.
Yes, sir, finding.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So quickly find out the rise time, peak time, maximum overshoot. Even you can try for finding out the settling time also. TS. Should I repeat all the formula? Rise time is pi minus phi divided by omega d. Peak time is pi divided by omega d. Maximum overshoot is e to the power minus zeta pi upon under root of 1 minus zeta square. And settling time is 4 divided by zeta omega n. $33 number, please let me know the answer. 43, Rishi.
Yes, sir.
$57, are you here?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Sir,
Yes,
Hello.
bolo.
sir, our system is our system. Sir, our system is over dam system, but this formula is for under dam.
Yes, good. I want these answers. That's why I ask you a quickly. Quickly means say a system is second order, but my zeta is greater than 1. So we
Yes,
cannot
sir.
apply all the formula. Fine. So we cannot find out. Of course, we have another method to find out a rise time, peak time, settling time and all. Okay. But with these formula, we cannot find out. I hope everyone understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Now, coming to the next example. Chalo. Write down G of S that is equal to everyone please write down G of S that is equal to numerator is K in denominator S another bracket S plus 10. I hope the screen is visible. On that screen means I write down that equations. G of S equal to K divided by S into S plus 10. Means this is my open loop transfer function. Okay. Open loop transfer function. What is open loop?
Where feedback is not returning
No
back to the
feedback.
inputs.
Feedback is
No feedback.
no. Open loop means it's a G of S, H of S. And H
Yes,
of
sir.
S is 1. Unity feedback kind of system. Okay. Open loop transfer function always represent as a G of S, H of S. Okay. Otherwise, I can say it's a forward path transfer function. If only G of S ना तब हम क्या बोलेंगे forward path transfer function. Okay. But open loop transfer function ऐसा लिखा है, then we have to understood it is a G of S, H of S. Okay. सो एच ऑफ एस क्या है मेरा 1. नाउ the objective is determine the value of gain k for the damping ratio is 0.5. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I hope you write down the same. That is zeta equal
sir.
to 0.5. आपको k की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. Now what is my first step? Hello. What is my first step?
सर के 10 है.
k की वैल्यू आपको फाइंड आउट करना है.
हाँ सर, मैंने फाइंड आउट की 10 है, ऐसा पूछ रहा हूँ.
No. Under root k is 10, so k is 100.
यस सर.
Somewhere you did the mistake.
यस सर.
Actually आपका ये सिस्टम है, जैसे मैं आपको बोर्ड पर अभी ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई फॉर्म द सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम. ये मेरा सिस्टम है जहां पे ये जो ब्लॉक है वो है आपका जी ऑफ एस, इनपुट है आर ऑफ एस. ओके, यूनिटी फीडबैक है. यूनिटी फीडबैक आपका सिस्टम ले रहा है. यूनिटी फीडबैक ऑनलाइन ड्रॉ करना मीन्स इट्स डिफिकल्ट. I hope rest of you find out the value of k. कितने लोगों ने फाइंड आउट कर दिया k की वैल्यू? Yes sir, it is done.
Sir, doing.
એટલી બધી કેમ વાર લાગે? First of all, find out the transfer function. C of s by r of s is g of s upon 1 plus g of s h of s. तो वो आएगा आपका k डिवाइड बाय s स्क्वायर प्लस 10s प्लस k. ओके, compare this omega n square that is equal to k and twice zeta omega n equal to 10. zeta की वैल्यू दी है आपको 0.5. So k become
Sir,
Sir,
can you
yes,
repeat?
100. I got 100.
100. Yes.
Yes, I got my mistake, sir.
Okay, fine. Now find out the maximum overshoot, rise time, peak time, settling time. In this case, my zeta is 0.5. So that is less than 1. I can directly apply the formula. I hope it is clear. ક્લાસમાં બાકીના સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આન્સર આપતા નથી. This means that they are not doing anything. 17 number. Are you here? 17, 13, 7, 18, 22, 23, 31, 33.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आप लोग कर क्या रहे हो? कोई आंसर तो देते नहीं हो. ऑन योर कैमरा तो मुझे पता चले आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो.
सर के मिल गया 100.
શું થયું? What is the value of rise time and peak time?
Sir, peak time is 0.36.
Hello.
Yes, bolo.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Peak time is 0.36.
0.36. Good. TP equal to
Answer,
0.363 second.
And sir,
Yes,
rise
sir.
time is 241 millisecond.
241. Yes, 241 millisecond. Good.
Yes, sir.
अनुभव आप बोलो. मैंने आपको कैमरा ऑन करने के लिए बोला सबको. पता नहीं क्यों सब लोग कैमरा ऑन नहीं कर रहे हो. Yes, Anubhav, tell me.
Yes, sir. What?
Maximum overshoot, MP, value.
Take minutes, sir. Calculating.
Chalo, 43. Rishi,
Yes, sir.
give me the answer for settling time.
Yes, I am finding.
Sir, settling time 0.8 है.
Yes, 0.8 है. 4 divided by zeta omega n किया ना? Okay, fine.
0.8, sir. 0.8.
Okay, good. 0.8 second. Write down always unit.
Yes, sir.
Yes. नेक्स्ट क्लास में से मुझे आपका सबका कैमरा ऑन चाहिए, अदरवाइज आई विल रिमूव यू. मुझे लग रहा है कि आप लोग पढ़ने में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हो. देयर इज अ ह्यूमर इन योर क्लास कि ये सेमेस्टर भी निकल जाएगा और सरकार पास कर देगी, सबको ग्रेडिंग दे दिया जाएगा. डोंट थिंक इन दिस वे. देयर इज अ ऑफलाइन यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम. अगर गवर्नमेंट JEE और नीट ले सकती है ना, तो GTU आपका एग्जाम लेगी. और अगर ये एग्जाम में FF आया तो आप मान के चलो ये सब्जेक्ट कभी भी क्लियर नहीं होगा. तो जो लोग नहीं बोल रहे, जो लोग एफर्ट नहीं रख रहे, दे हैव टू टेक दिस थिंग्स वेरी वेरी सीरियसली.
Sir,
व्हाट इज
maximum
MP वैल्यू? मैक्सिमम ओवरशूट. मुझे आंसर चाहिए.
Sir,
minus
16.30%.
Once again repeat please.
16.30% maximum overshoot.
Yes, 16.30%.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Anubhav, are you getting the answer?
Just a second, sir.
आप लोग माइक ऑन करते हो तुरंत बंद कर देते हो, ऑन करते हो बंद कर देते हो. आई डोंट नो व्हाई.
बैकग्राउंड नॉइस आती है ना इसलिए.
तो बैकग्राउंड
मैं
में
तो-
मुझे आएगी ना, आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
ओके सर.
चलो, those who completed, write down the another example.
Yes.
G of S, that is forward path transfer function. अभी भी बाकी लोगों को पता नहीं चल रहा है कि भाई कैमरा ऑन करने का। ओनली 2 पर्सन्स, मुझे अभी तो ऋषि और अनुभव दो ही दिखाई दे रहे हैं, बस कैमरा उन्होंने ऑन किया हुआ है। बाकी तो पता नहीं, क्लास में आते हैं कि what they are hell they are doing is Heath is now on the camera. ऋषि આપણા હેર બહુ વધી ગયા છે, કંઈક કરો
संडे
હવે।
को जाने वाला था सर, संडे को
हाँ,
जाने वाला था पर थोड़ा काम आ गया था इसलिए।
કોઈ બાત નહીં, હવે ઘરે જ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી લેવાની કટ કરવાની હો।
ओके सर।
वो चिंता नहीं करवानी। सी कोरोना काल ने बहुत कुछ सिखा दिया है, ठीक है। एंड वी हैव टू नाउ वर्क एज अ न्यू नॉर्मल लाइफ।
यस सर।
વધારવા હોય તો મને વાંધો નહીં હો,
ना
ઇટ્સ
सर।
ગુડ। નાઉઅડેઝ ઇઝ અ ફેશન। તમે કોલેજમાં આવો ને તો ઘણા બધા ટીચર્સના ફેશન નવી બદલાઈ ગઈ છે, તમને જોવા મળશે। જે લોકલાઇટ હોય એ તો વિઝિટ કરો કોલેજ, કોઈ દિવસ આવતા તો છો નહીં।
સર
એ તો આપણે
ઘરેથી બહાર
લોકલાઇટ
નહીં
નહીં,
નીકળવા દેતા સર,
એવું છે,
ઘરેથી
ઘરની
બહાર
બહાર
નહીં
નહીં
નીકળવા
નીકળવા
દેતા।
યસ, સારું
હું તો
સારું
બહુ
કહેવાય।
હું શું આમ બહુ ઈચ્છા છે સર આવવાની, પણ ઘરેથી બહાર નહીં નીકળવા દેતા પપ્પા।
ના ના, સાચી વાત છે, અત્યારે ના નીકળવું જોઈએ। ગુડ,
હમ.
બરાબર છે। because it's a very very dangerous, even at Vidyanagar also, okay, it's a very dangerous nowadays. I share you one news, in our college 2 faculty members are also affected, okay, they are find out a positive yesterday, so now they are home quarantine। अभी तो होम क्वारंटाइन का कंसेप्ट है ना, हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन का तो कंसेप्ट
हाँ।
निकल गया। तो नाउ इट्स अ होम क्वारंटाइन। सरकार ने बोल दिया आप खुद ध्यान रखो, जीना है तो जियो, मरना है तो मरो। नहीं, कल
नहीं सर,
मैंने ना
ये
एक व्हाट्सएप पे एक बहुत अच्छा शेयर किया था किसी ने, उसमें वो भगवान को प्रार्थना कर रहा था कि भगवान टीका है तब टीकाए रखना, टीका है तब ટીકાએ રખના। મીન્સ જ્યાં સુધી વેક્સિન ના આવે ત્યાં સુધી જીવાડજે, બહુ થઈ ગયું। and the research shows that still maybe this is a increasing, second phase is already started in UK, Canada, okay, so they are going to start down once again, maybe the lockdown, okay। अब इंडिया में लॉकडाउन नहीं होगा, बिकॉज आवर इकोनॉमी बहुत अफेक्ट हो चुकी है। अगर आप लोग इकोनॉमी में इंटरेस्ट रख रहे हो, कॉमर्स में, ठीक है, सो इज अ वेरी डाउन। अभी जो शेयर मार्केट है ना वो भी डाउन हो रहा है, सो नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल। अभी तो यही एक मीडियम है, ऑनलाइन मीडियम, जिससे हमको पढ़ना है और इवन एग्जाम भी देना है। तो डोंट बी इन इम्प्रेशन कि भाई एग्जाम नहीं होगा, सेमेस्टर चला जाएगा, सबको ग्रेसिंग मिल जाएगा। नो, नॉट एट ऑल, ठीक है। क्योंकि जस्ट इमेजिन द केस, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस जितनी है ना गुजरात में, इससे ज्यादा प्राइवेट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है, और प्राइवेट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में सब लोगों ने फीस पे कर दी है, ठीक है। तो दैट इज अ ड्यूटी, और सभी प्राइवेट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज अभी पढ़ा भी रहे हैं ऑनलाइन, ओके। तो उस हिसाब से गवर्नमेंट और यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम लेगी आपका, ओके। Now write down the g of s, forward part transfer function। 16 divided by s, another bracket, s plus 0.8। अभी भी मुझे 4 लोगों का कैमरा दिखाई दे रहा है।
सर
ये
S
क्या,
plus
s into bracket s plus 0.8, 16 divided by s, another bracket, s plus 0.8। This is my forward part transfer function, that is
Open-
g
open
of
system.
s, okay।
G of S।
Yeah, now h of s, write down h of s। h of s is 1 plus ks, k is unknown, okay। Now
So can you
Pardon,
repeat
sir.
1 plus
1 plus ks,
k into s?
K into S. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now, first of all, find out the transfer function of the system. C of S by R of S आप find out करो. I am very happy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students on their camera. And this shows that they are doing something. I am very happy. 5 number. It's good.
Yes, sir.
Good attitude. Huh? I like it. But still, rest of the students are camera off. पता नहीं वो क्या करते हैं क्या है मगर कैमरा ऑफ है. सी मैंने भी मेरा कैमरा ऑन कर लिया है कि आपको पता चले मैं भी हूं यहाँ पे. आई होप वो मूवी आप लोगों ने देखी होगी मैं हूं ना. बराबर ने आई रिमेम्बर आई थिंक शाहरुख खान છે ને મૂવીમાં.
Yes.
एंड एक्ट्रेस का नाम तो मैं भूल गया यार. कौन था करीना कपूर या कौन था एक्ट्रेस नेम.
Sushmita Sen.
हाँ यस सुष्मिता सेन यस. उनका नया मूवी था आई थिंक. और वो एक दूसरा था उसका भाई शाहरुख का भाई दिखाया था. आई फॉरगॉट. मुझे इतना याद नहीं है बिकॉज इज अ वेरी ओल्ड वन. आप लोग आई थिंक छोटे होंगे तब तो. चलो सी ऑफ एस बाय आर ऑफ एस मिल गया. સેવન્ટીન 33 19 કેમ આપણો કેમેરા ઓન નથી.
हेलो सर.
यस बोलो 33.
सर माइक तो ठीक हो गया है लेकिन डेस्कटॉप यूज करता हूँ ना तो कैमरा नहीं है उसमें.
ઓકે ઓકે ફાઇન.
माइक आज
તો
ही ठीक कर.
બાજુમાં મોબાઈલનો કેમેરાથી ના થાય. MS ટીમ્સ બંનેમાં લોગિન થાય.
हाँ तो कर
કદાચ
कर
થોડુંક નેટ વધારે વપરાય ડોન્ટ વરી.
सर
મારી
कर
જોડથી આવીને લઈ જજો રિચાર્જના
नो सर
પૈસા. બરાબર. ચલો सी ऑफ एस बाय आर ऑफ एस આવી ગયું.
Sir, R of S into 16 upon A square plus 1.8 S plus 0.8 R.
ફરી રિપીટ કરો.
R of S into 16 upon A
Yeah.
square plus 1.8 S plus 0.8.
You are doing some mistake. देखो आर ऑफ एस आपने न्यूमरेटर में लिखा ना वो आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिख दो. सी ऑफ एस बाय आर ऑफ एस. ओके.
Okay.
Means I am asking transfer function means it's always C of S by R of S. Good. 33. I am happy. I am very happy to see all of your faces. So. હવે આપણે બહુ થઈ ગયું 3 મહિના કાઢ્યા. હવે તો આપણે બધાના ફેસ જોવા પડે. જોવા પડે કે નહીં? જોવા પડે ને? ગુડ. ચાલો C of S by R of S equal to 16 divided by S square plus 0.8S plus 16KS plus 16. कितने लोगों का आंसर आ गया ये? હવે વર્ચ્યુઅલ નહીં આપણે ફિઝિકલ હાથ ઉપર કરવાનો. આમ દેખાવ જોઈએ. અમારો હાથ દેખાય ને એવું. યસ ગુડ. એક જ જણ ઋષિનો આન્સર આવ્યો, બાકીના કોઈને? યસ હેત. 5 નંબર આપણે શું થયું? વેર યુ ડીડ ધ મિસ્ટેક? યસ 45 is getting the answer. 59
Sir,
are
I'm
you
on to-
getting the answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. Are you in Vidyanagar or at your home?
I went out of Vidyanagar. I'm not in Vidyanagar.
You are not in Vidyanagar.
Yes, sir.
Where you are?
I'm in Ahmedabad.
Okay, you are in Ahmedabad. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ahmedabad is your somewhere you are staying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are from Afghanistan? Or from where you are?
I don't get the question. What is it?
You are from where?
Uganda.
Uganda. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Africa, Uganda.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In Uganda, we are having a very good temple. BAPS Swaminarayan temple is there. You visited?
No, I didn't.
Okay, then next time when you visit your hometown, you have to visit this temple.
But they are quite far from my home.
But no problem. Whatever the traveling cost, you can take from me.
Okay,
Okay.
maybe when I go back, I'll visit it. Then I send you photos.
Okay, then good. Okay, chalo. Are you getting the answer? 16 divided by s square bracket 0.8 plus 16k bracket complete s plus 16. Okay. So now I am
sir.
comparing this with a second order equation. तो ओमेगा n square कितना आएगा?
4.
अरे ओमेगा n square
Sorry.
16. So omega n is 4.
Of n 4.
Yeah.
Omega n square 16 and omega.
Yes, good. Okay, fine. Now the zeta value is given 0.5. So find out the value of k.
So what's the value of zeta?
See your equation in denominator s square plus bracket 0.8 plus 16 k bracket complete s plus 16. Okay. So this is my characteristic equation. I am comparing this with a s square plus twice zeta omega n s plus 16. So omega n equal to 4 and zeta is given to you, that is 0.5. Okay. So find out the value of k.
0.23.
0.2.
0.2.
Yes.
0.23 કેમનું આવ્યું? 0.2 આવે, exact answer આવે છે.
0.2 sir, exact.
હા 0.2
Yes, sir, 0.2
મારે
આવે.
એક્ઝેક્ટ આવી ગયો આન્સર 0.2. 33 આપણો માઇક ઓફ છે. Lips is saying 0.2 but mic is off. I can identify lips movement. Good. Okay, done. Now, what is your overall transfer function after finding out k? C of s by r of s क्या आया?
S.
Sir, 16 divided by s square plus 4s plus 16.
Good. I hope everyone are getting. Okay, done. Now, fine. Thank you. So now zeta is 0.5. So I can find out rise time, peak time, settling time. वो तो अब आप लोगों को आ गया है. So we are not finding out the same. Now I want to do something new. apply input R of S is 1 by S. That is step. Okay. Now instead of step, now I am applying a input is a 10. 10 means 10 by S. Okay, a magnitude is 10. Instead of unit step, I am applying a magnitude is 10. Okay. So find out C of t. I hope everyone understood.
Sir, can you repeat? I can't understand.
Now see, normally we are applying a input R of S is a unit step. Okay. So unit step means 1 by S. But
Yes.
instead of 1 by S, now I am applying a input is 10. 10 in magnitude. So it's a 10 by S. तो अब क्या होगा? C of S equal to 10 into 16. वो आपका न्यूमरेटर में आएगा. डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा S into bracket S square plus 4S plus 16. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
अब मुझे क्या करना है? C of t फाइंड आउट करना है. I hope you can find out C of t by partial fraction analysis method. लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म में हम लोग पढ़ चुके थे. Partial fraction analysis. You just try by your own. अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं तो ऐसा होगा. आई होप मैं कैमरा शिफ्ट कर रहा हूं. आई होप इट इज विजिबल. मगर उल्टा दिखाई दे रहा है. सही आई डोंट नो. इज इट विजिबल?
सर थोड़ा ब्लर है. ब्लर आ रहा है.
ब्लर आएगा. आई नो, बट मेरे पास और कोई चारा नहीं अभी. नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल स्कैन दिस पेज एंड देन शेयर इट विथ यू. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I am referring a different book at present. Okay. Instead of that normal Nise, whatever I shared with you. Because I want, मैं आप सब लोगों को practice करवाना चाहता हूँ. Number of examples. Okay. I hope you can find out the inverse Laplace transform method. C of t. आप directly answer लिखो. C of t क्या आएगा? वन माइनस. अभी आंसर लिख लो. आप बाद में कैलकुलेट करते रहना. See, this is similar to your equation. Equation means हमने C of t का equation क्या लर्न किया था. अगर आप लोग याद करो तो C of t का equation मैंने आपको शेयर भी किया हुआ है. And then we already derived this equation for second order system. मैं अभी आपको शेयर कर रहा हूँ. चलो बोर्ड पे यहाँ शेयरिंग कर रहा हूँ. सो दैट इज गुड फॉर यू ऑल्सो और इजी फॉर रिकॉलिंग ऑल्सो. ओके, चलो मैं आपको शेयर कर रहा हूँ. आई होप इट इज विजिबल. हो रहा है विजिबल? 1 माइनस e टू द पावर माइनस जीटा ओमेगा एन टी डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस जीटा स्क्वायर साइन ओमेगा डी टी प्लस 5. Okay. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
But अब हम लोग इस इक्वेशन में डायरेक्टली जीटा और ओमेगा एन की वैल्यू नहीं रख सकते. क्यों? बिकॉज इनपुट इज 10. ये इक्वेशन हमने फाइंड आउट किया था फॉर इनपुट इज यूनिट स्टेप. ओके, so we cannot write down directly the value of omega n और zeta. अभी हमारे पास दोनों है. ओमेगा n की वैल्यू है 4 और zeta की वैल्यू है 0.5. बट वी कैन नॉट राइट डाउन. तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? फिर से C of S इक्वेशन लिखना पड़ेगा. दैट इज 16, दैट इज 160 डिवाइड बाय S अनदर ब्रैकेट S square plus 4S plus 16. ओके. और उसको हमको पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन एनालिसिस मेथड से C of t फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, एंड आफ्टर फाइंडिंग आउट दिस C of t we can find out a rise time, peak time, maximum overshoot. ओके, तो जस्ट यू कैन ट्राई बाय योर ओन. हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं इसका आंसर पूछूंगा आपको. ठीक है, आप लोग खुद ट्राई करना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल C of t फाइंड आउट करो. C of t फाइंड आउट करने के बाद अब राइज टाइम, पीक टाइम और मैक्सिमम ओवरशूट के लिए फॉर्मूला नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते. व्हाई? because that formula is work only for unit step input. Okay, so this is another variant. Another variant means if your zeta is less than 1, even though you cannot apply the formula. Why? Because my input is different, that is different in magnitude. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so try out from your side. Find out rise time, peak time, settling time, and maximum overshoot for the given case. Okay, so by this we are ending with the second order system response. Next class we are going to start about the error constant. Okay, so quickly we complete this task and then we just move on to the stability criteria. अब आपके लैब में different stability criteria पढ़ाएंगे. First they start with a RH criteria, that is known as a Routh-Hurwitz criteria. उसके बाद में आएगा root locus, उसके बाद में आएगा Bode plot. Okay, and for all these unit, okay, you require a more attention, and for that I required your camera should be on. इसलिए कि आप लोग जो भी कुछ वहां पे करो वो मुझे यहाँ दिखाई दे ऐसा करना है. दिखाई दे means you have to share it. Okay, because this require your practice. आपका human effort चाहिए. Without writing down anything we cannot learn. Okay, so slowly we are moving in this stability criteria of control system. Okay, and we are going to learn about root locus, Bode plot, Nyquist plot, and so on. Fine. Okay then. See you. We stop here. If you are having any doubt for today's class, let me know. Yes,
Hello,
hey,
sir.
tell me. Yes.
सर उसका आंसर 160 into bracket t minus e raised to minus 2 plus 2 root 3j plus e raised to minus 2 root 3j. Answer है, sir.
Wrong. Your answer should be always in terms of e to the power minus something into
सर
sine
ऐसा ही है.
into sine t plus theta. આ ફોર્મમાં આન્સર આવવો જોઈએ.
સર એ ફોર્મમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવાનું જ રહે, બાકી તો આન્સર આવી
બસ
ગયો.
તો એ ફોર્મમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવું પડશે. ઓકે,
ઓકે સર.
okay then. See you in next class. Anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay then.
Sir.
Okay. Do enough practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I hope in lab